guys, it's Love Salad, and for today's video, we are going to watch the official teaser of Unlock Your Love version 1.
Please subscribe to support our channel and hit the like button to see more future updates.
Comment below if you have any video suggestion.
Anyways, let's settle together and let's watch the
Teaser!
Okay, game.
Okay, so photographer si B-Mine. And humaba na ang hair ni Nier dito. Oy! Ang pogi ng dating niya dyan, ha?
Truly. Very your aesthetic.
Gumanda sila lalo. Okay.
ตามใจแล้วจะได้ใจปะล่ะชอบมันไม่ใช่เหตุผลนะแต่มันเป็นความรู้สึกต่างหากก็ชอบอ่ะฉันยิ่งเห็นเธอยิ่งชอบยิ่งอยู่ใกล้ยิ่งรู้ใช่ยิ่งพูดถูกไหมชอบบางครั้งอ่ะมันก็ไม่จำเป็นต้องมีเหตุผลเพียงแค่เราชอบมันก็พอเหมือนกับเรียนชอบพี่ไงไม่เห็นต้องมีเหตุผลเลย
Guys, teaser pa lang to, ha? Kumalma kayo.
Legit ba kayo dyan?
Uy, teaser pa lang to, uy!
Uy, yung kamay niya, uy!
Buti na lang pinatay yung ilaw.
เราไม่เห็นหน้าสวยๆของพี่เลย
Gusto niya lights on.
Ikaw ba? Gusto mo lights on, lights off?
Lights. Lights.
Kumawa eh. Ano pang ibang characters eh? Baka may version 2 pa to. Taka. Search natin.
Unlock your love. Type mo, unlock your love.
Ito may version 2. Panoorin din natin yung version 2, guys.
Tuloy-tuloy na natin. Disappointed love in the past makes her lock up her heart.
เหงาขนาดนี้หาใครสักคนละทีไม่เอาอ่ะเวลารักคนอื่น
Oh!
เราจะเปิดมุมรักตัวเองไงล่ะ
Introduction of the second couple. Wait lang, ito yung sa ano, di ba? Yung sa unang series nila. Ang pangalan na? Lucky My Love.
ใครง่ายๆแบบเรา
Nandun siya, di ba? I remember her.
Hindi ko ma-recall.
Alright.
May teaser nga. Kasi hindi rin natin alam kung saan nanggaling, kung anong-ano na.
So yun guys, sobrang...
Kung paano sila nagka...
Ay, April 6 pa yung official trailer.
Ah, okay.
At balik mo. Hindi kasi natin.
Pilot?
Pilot episode!
Mhm.
So wala nang parang official trailer, teaser lang, ganon.
Oo.
Or magre-release pa sila bukas. Or sa Friday, no? Tingin mo?
Pwede din.
So yun guys, thank you for watching with us.
And we will see you on the
Please
next
don't forget to
one.
like, share, subscribe our channel.
And see you on... Makalabo mo eh. Diba?